Hello. Let me show you how to book your Portugal vacation in less than 3 minutes. First, select your tour, 7-day Portugal tour from Lisbon to Porto. Now, choose your travel date. I'm planning to travel in May 2027. Next, select the number of travelers. In this case, 2 people, and we'll choose a twin room. We are arriving 2 days earlier, so we'll add pre-tour accommodation. Since pricing is per person, per night, we select 4. At the end of the tour, we'll also add 1 extra night in Braga. Now, choose your preferred payment option. You can also enhance your experience by adding optional extras, like the Évora and Cork Farm Tour. Great, the booking system has automatically selected the correct date. Perfect, everything is selected. Now it's time to review and confirm all details. Finally, enter your email, phone number, and credit card numbers. And that's it, your Portugal adventure is booked.